Hubble found strange explosions between galaxies, and scientists aren't sure what to think. Fast blue optical transients, also called luminous fast blue optical transients, are extremely bright events that are some of the brightest visible light in the universe, and they happen extremely fast. And Hubble just detected one between galaxies. This fast blue optical transient is called the Finch. Traditional theories for these events involve a specific type of supernova called a core collapse supernova, but that only explains some of the features of fast blue optical transients. It doesn't explain the peak magnitude, basically how bright they are, how fast they fade, and more. This new evidence basically rules out that theory, because the kinds of stars that have core collapse supernovas wouldn't have time to travel between galaxies. They're extremely short-lived because they're so massive. We usually find them in the arms of spiral galaxies. That's where they're born and that's where they die. Therefore, the Finch couldn't have been from a core collapse supernova. It was 50,000 light years away from the nearest large spiral galaxy. So where was it from? The prevailing theory at this point is that the Finch and other fast blue optical transients are from intermediate mass black holes that are tearing apart stars. This would mean a black hole between 100 times and 1,000 times the mass of our sun. For context, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy is around 4.3 million times the mass of our sun. To learn more about Sagittarius A star, check out my video. We know that rogue black holes exist. We also know that globular clusters that orbit outside galaxies exist. Yes, I have a video on that too. Scientists think that intermediate black holes might be at the center of globular star clusters, which would explain the location of the Finch. It's also possible that the Finch is a result of a collision between two neutron stars, which are the dense collapsed cores of massive stars. Traditionally, these collisions cause a kilonova, which is 1,000 times more powerful than a supernova. But speculation is that if one of these cores was magnetized, called a magnetar, the result could be an even more powerful explosion. Basically, there are a lot of questions and no concrete answers. Scientists are hoping that more wide-field surveys of the sky will allow them to find and study more fast blue optical transients.